Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to clear Bumble cache for faster performance. So now let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your phone. Now navigate to apps. Now here again, search for Bumble, tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Here, tap on the Clear Cache option, which is at the bottom left corner. Now this will remove temporary files, helping Bumble run faster without losing your data. So this is how to clear Bumble cache for faster performance. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.